everyone. Welcome back to English Ease Studio. I'm Emily, and today we're going to talk about something fun and relaxing.
Yes, we're talking about vacations. Who doesn't love a good holiday, right?
Exactly. We'll learn how to talk about vacations in English, how to describe your trip, where you went, what you did, and how you felt.
So, if you want to improve your English conversation skills, stay with us till the end.
And don't forget, subscribe to English Ease Studio for more relaxing English listening practice. Segment 1. Talking about vacations.
So, Emily, do you like traveling?
Oh, I love it. Traveling makes me feel alive. I enjoy meeting new people, trying new food, and seeing different places. What about you?
Same here. I think traveling helps us grow. It opens our minds.
True. So, where was your last vacation, Paul?
My last vacation was in Thailand. It was a few years ago, but I still remember it clearly.
Thailand. That sounds exciting. What did you do there?
I visited Bangkok first. The city was full of life, colorful lights, delicious street food, and friendly people.
Wow, sounds amazing.
And then I went to an island called Phuket. I stayed near the beach. Every morning, I walked on the sand and listened to the waves.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. The water was clear and blue, and the sunsets were beautiful.
So, how did you feel during your vacation?
Mm, Relaxed and happy. I felt free from work and stress.
That's a great word. Relaxed. You can say, I felt relaxed on my vacation.
Yes, and also I felt peaceful or I felt calm.
Good examples. What about you, Emily? What's your favorite vacation memory? Oh, that's easy. I went to the mountains in Switzerland 2 years ago.
Nice. What did you do there?
I took long walks, drank hot chocolate, and watched the snow fall outside the window. It felt magical, like a dream.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
Okay, everyone listening, let's learn some vacation vocabulary.
Yes, here are some useful words you can use when talking about your holidays. Beach, a place with sand and sea. Mountain, a high area of land like a hill, but much bigger. Flight, when you travel by airplane. Hotel, a place where you sleep during your trip. Sightseeing, when you visit famous places. Souvenir, something you buy to remember your trip.
Excellent. Let's make some short sentences.
Okay, I stayed at a hotel near the beach. I went sightseeing in Paris. I bought a souvenir for my friend.
Great job. Repeat after us if you're listening at home. Segment 4. Talking about past vacations. So, Paul, how can we talk about past vacations?
In English.
Good question. We can use the past simple tense.
Right. For example, I went to Italy. I saw the Colosseum. I ate pizza.
Exactly. Went, saw, ate. These are past tense verbs.
Let's give our listeners a short practice.
Sure.
Repeat after me. I went to the beach. I visited my grandparents. I took many photos. I enjoyed my vacation.
Perfect. You're learning so well. Okay, Paul, let's play a fun game.
Ooh, I love games. What's it called?
It's called My Dream Vacation. We'll imagine our perfect vacation and describe it.
Sounds good. I'll start. My dream vacation would be in Japan. I'd visit Tokyo, eat sushi, and see Mount Fuji.
That sounds exciting. I'd love to go to Japan too.
What about you, Emily?
My dream vacation would be in the Maldives. I want to stay in a water villa, those small houses on the sea.
Ah, yes, with glass floors where you can see fish below.
Exactly. I'd swim every day, watch the sunset, and just relax.
Sounds like paradise.
Let's teach some useful English phrases for travelers.
Great idea.
Phrase 1, how much is this? You can use this when shopping for souvenirs.
Phrase 2, can you take my photo, please?
Phrase 3, where is the nearest restaurant?
Phrase 4, I'd like to order some food.
Phrase 5, thank you. That was delicious.
These are everyday phrases you can use when traveling to English-speaking countries.
Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes learners make when talking about vacations.
Yes, this is important. For example, some people say, I am go to Paris last year.
Oops, that's wrong. You should say, I went to Paris last year.
Another one, I buy a souvenir yesterday.
It should be, I bought a souvenir yesterday.
Perfect. Remember, always use the past tense when talking about past trips.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Take a moment and think about your last vacation.
Ask yourself these questions. Where did you go? Who did you go with? What did you do? What did you eat? How did you feel?
Try to answer out loud in English. For example, I went to the beach with my family. We ate seafood. I felt happy and relaxed.
Yes, speaking out loud helps your brain remember words faster.
Let's talk about vacations around the world.
Great idea. In Europe, people often take long summer vacations, maybe 2 or 3 weeks.
In Asia, many families travel during school holidays, especially in winter or spring.
And in the United States, people often take short weekend trips. They love road trips.
So remember, vacation habits can be different in every country, but everyone loves a little rest.
Let's slow down for a moment. Close your eyes. Imagine you're on a beach.
The sun is warm, the wind is soft, and the waves are singing a quiet song.
You take a deep breath. You feel peace in your heart.
This is what vacation means. Time to rest, to dream, and to be thankful.
Wow, that was such a relaxing talk today.
Yes, it really was. And we hope all our listeners learned something new, some words, phrases, and feelings about vacations.
Don't forget, you can replay this episode and repeat after us to practice.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe to English Ease Studio and leave a comment telling us about your dream vacation.
Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep smiling.
See you soon, friends.
Bye.